Our next problem is if 180 less than theta less than 270 and sin theta equal to minus 4 by 5, then calculate sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. First write down what is the given. Given is 180 less than theta less than 270. That means theta is in the third quadrant. Okay. So write down the quadrant system. Okay, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Right? Theta lies in the theta lies between 180 and 270. So it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. Right? So this is theta, and this is minus 4, and this is 5. This is 3, minus 3, right? Now, based on this, write down this is sin theta equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, based on this, what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to minus 3 by 5. What is tan theta? Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side, right? 4 by 3. Okay. Now, sin theta, we need to find out sin theta by 2, right? Sin theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. We know the value of cos theta. Just we need to substitute. That's it, right? Sin theta by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2, right? Okay, that equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equal to minus 3 by 5 by 2. Okay, that equal to plus or minus square root of, this is how much? 5 minus minus plus 3, so that is 8 by 5 into 2. Okay, 2 4, that equal to 2 by root 5 plus or minus. Okay, but see, theta is in between 180 and 270. Write down that one. 180 less than theta less than 270. Theta by 2 is 90 less than theta by 2 less than 135. Okay, see, that means it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is what? Sign is positive, so we need to ignore negative value. I will write down here. Okay, theta by 2 lies between 90 and 135. Okay, that means theta by 2 is in the second quadrant. Okay, in the second quadrant, sign is positive. In the second quadrant, sign is positive, so we need to ignore negative value. Finally, sin theta by 2 equal to 2 by root 5. Okay. Now next thing is, we need to prove that cos theta by 2, we need to calculate the value of cos theta by 2 also. Okay, cos theta by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. We know the value of cos theta. Just substitute that cos theta value equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta value is minus 3 by 5 whole divided by 2, that equal to plus or minus square root of 5 minus 3 equal to 2 by 2 into 5, that equal to plus or minus 1 by root 5. But same logic, theta is in between 180 and 270. Theta by 2 is in between 90 and 135, right? That means it lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So cos theta by 2 equal to minus 1 by root 5. Okay. In this way we need to prove calculate sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay. See, again I will explain. First we need to write down what is the given. Given is 180 less than theta less than 270. And we have sin theta value also. Sin theta equal to minus 4 by 5. Actually, theta is in between 180 and 270, means it is in the third quadrant. Based on that, we need to write the quadrant system, and triangle lies in the third quadrant, right? In the third quadrant, sin value is negative. Okay, based on this one, we are able to find cos theta, sin theta and tan theta value. Okay, once we have sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, we know the formula of sin theta by 2. What is the formula of sin theta by 2? Sin theta by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Just we need to substitute cos theta value in this. But here the logic lies, right? We got plus or minus 2 by root 5. But theta is in between 170 and 180 and 270. Theta by 2 lies between 90 and 135, right? Just we need to divide 180 and 270 by 2. Okay, theta by 2 lies between 90 and 135. That means theta by 2 is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. That's why we need to consider only plus 2 by root 5. Okay, in the same way cos value also. In the second quadrant, cos value is what? Negative. So we need to consider only negative value. That is why cos theta by 2 equal to minus 1 by root 5. Okay, anyone has questions in this? Okay, just note it down. In future, if you got any doubts or problems, just message me, I will give reply.